This is actually the slave boiler. The one you were just looking at before was the master. This is the... get back to it. Okay, this is the home screen that you'll have. It's your basic screen. It shows for your set point for central heat. The boiler's going to come back on when it drops down to 124 degrees, modulates around 135, and it shuts off at 145 degrees. This boiler, the slave, runs off the outdoor temperature switch that's outside, ran outside. Right now, it's 34 degrees out, so the set point that's set to this boiler depends on what the temperature is outside. And as you see it right here, it just keeps adjusting. Now, you can go through here, you can look at the pumps. It shows everything's ready to go with the green light. The boiler's off right now because the boiler's not needed. Go to your modulation, show you your demand rate percentage. It's at 0 right now because we're not running. And it shows your limited rate, which is the minimum this boiler will run is at 20%. Go back to your set points. Usually the screen I leave it on so you can see where you're set at through the outdoor air temperature. On the right here, this is your flame. When the boiler lights off, you will see around 20, I don't know, it varies between 13, 20 volts. It'll show if there's a flame inside the boiler, and it'll just bounce back and forth to show that you have a flame. Get to the operation screen. You can see the burner switch is on. Your central heat pump is on, but the boiler is off right now. It's not getting cold right now. The outdoor sensor showed here shows the temp also on this screen to be 34 degrees. Your firing rate's at 0 right now. And enunciation screen on this boiler is the same thing. When you're off, it'll show all these to be on up to your gas pressure switch. You want to make sure all these are made. If they're not, the problem will show whichever part's off. If the load control input's on but flow switch is off, meaning you don't have flow through the boiler, vice versa. But you should be on clear down to the gas pressure switch until this boiler will fire off and that blower motor starts. Until it gets up to a certain point in the blower motor, then this air switch will make and it will go through its cycle. And that's pretty much it.